Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely amazing Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 factory. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 factory. This is a 2016 bike on a 16 plate with just 11,837 miles, 4 owners from new and a full service history on mileage. This bike actually comes with a private plate, so although I said it's on a 16 plate, it actually comes with a private registration, and that is T20PCC, which I suppose is fantastic if you're into cricket or you work for the Police Complaints Commission. Either way, it does come with the plate, it is included. So, single seat conversion on the back end there, which is the genuine Aprilia item, of course. All the paintwork in excellent condition. Bar ends, levers and the mirrors all unmarked as well. It really is in lovely condition, this bike, I have to say. Absolutely superb. As you can see, all the bodywork there, tremendous condition there. Öhlins forks, of course, this being the factory version. There's a little mark in the sticker, but I guess you could always buy another one. The front mudguard, all in excellent condition. The front wheel, of course, in superb condition as well. Certainly for a bike that is, let's be honest, getting on for 10 years old. Yes, really. The frame all in excellent condition there as well, and the engine, no sign of any corrosion or paint flaking off there at all. There is a Black Widow silencer fitted as well, which sounds superb, of course. The rear tyre, plenty of life left in that one there. And the rear wheel, again, in excellent condition, looking superb in that luminous orange. Swinging arm, all in fantastic order as well. Of course, the bike comes with cornering ABS, traction control, all the various bits and pieces that you would expect on a high-level Super Naked. Power bronze tinted screen there as well, which is kind of the aero design. No stone chips on the front of the bike. It's all in great condition, as you can see. Obviously bags of power from the V4 motor in this Aprilia, and it sounds superb as well. Front tyre, loads of life left in that one. The left hand side of the bike, again in fantastic condition, just like the right, no damage to the mirror. The bar end, all the lever, it's been really well looked after. All the paintwork there in, again, excellent condition, as you can see. All the frame and the paintwork there, all good on the petrol tank. And the forks on this side, absolutely spotless, as is that front wheel. There's a Quickshifter and auto blipper as well, so up and down Quickshifter to you and me. And the Öhlins rear shock just tucked in there, absolutely superb condition. Chain sprockets look to be a very recent addition indeed, and in excellent condition there. And the rear wheel, absolutely superb. No marks on the rear foot peg there, and the back of the bike there, all in fantastic, unmarked condition. Top of the bike, again, all good, unmarked, just like the rest of the bike. Superb, it really is. Petrol tank there, absolutely brilliant. LCD display there, and the button for all your modes and various wonderful things this motorcycle can do. So if you are looking for a fantastic value for money, super naked motorcycle, look no further than this stunning Aprilia V4 Tuono 1100 factory. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this amazing Aprilia, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.